Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn login form validation. So how simple it is, we are going to validating a login form. Let's see very simply how I am making this form to login form. Like instead of number, I may put here it is in a name, input type text, and name it is like name. Okay, error let it be the same ID, and input it is in a submit should be there, and password you may put like name or login, any name you may use. Okay, input type password, and the name is you can simply give the keywords like a password or PSD, whatever the keywords you may give. Save it and reload the page. Yeah, name and password, something is space is here. Okay, I'm not concentrating on the design, so let it be see the like a name and password. And button name, it should be like a value, like it may be registration form or login, whatever it you may put here. Okay, now let's see the alerts how we are accepting. First, here it is a name we need to switch. Yeah, name dot value, something like it is a let we can clarify with the name, and one more variable we have to, like two parameters are there. So second parameter it is a password, password password, and here it is an password or password shortcut also you may write here. Clear? So it's very clear. Now what I am trying to do in, like I just remove this code and I'll write again fresh code. So if name equal to empty or null, if name equal to empty or null, by putting or condition, name equal to empty string, when it is happened should get an alert, alert of the message. What the message? Name must be filled. Name must be filled. Return false. If not filled by the name, return to be false. Okay, and the second condition, else if password equal to empty. If password is also empty, we can check it. All right, so if there is a no password also, we can throw the error. And I am verifying here to identifying the password dot length, if it is below 6 characters, alert of password minimum 6 characters should be there. What the message you want to put, you can add over there. Okay, false, terminate. Now let's see, by running this code, num valid, the function which is called, two parameters, we have written something. If you want more, you can write it. Reload the form and submit. See, name must be filled, it's throwing some error, so something it is entered. Submit. Password minimum 6 characters. Login, so only 3 I have given. Submit. Password minimum 6 characters. If I am given more than that, then only it will accept. So in real time, by putting, these are the server side, not server side, it's these are the very purely client side validations. These are the client side validations. See, based on that input HTML element ID, we are receiving the name we have instructed here. So based on that, we are receiving that values, and we are going to be working here. All right, I think it's very simple and easy lecture. I'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.